Hello, this is Matt Reynolds, editor of Packaging World, back with another Technology Minute. Today we'll be speaking with Chris Frain of Frain Industries about new ways for brands and CPGs to access packaging equipment. Chris, what trends are currently driving the way that brands and CPGs buy equipment for their facilities?
Budgets are getting smaller and equipment lead times continue to increase. And with these challenges, CPGs are still under the same pressure to get products to market fast. That's the number one thing we hear from our customers. They can't wait several months for a machine. They needed one yesterday, and that's why Frain's plug-and-play rental program has made so much sense. We've long rented equipment to CPGs, but this division has exploded over the last few years, mostly because of the trends I just mentioned. We've also been sure to fine-tune this division so we're offering even more value to our customers. For example, we make sure that every machine we rent out is upgraded to the latest standards and features. We'll even run your product on our machine at our facility so it's optimized when you get it.
So Frain isn't just sending equipment, you're running trials too?
It really is the closest thing to plug and play in the packaging industry today. We send you equipment that's completely dialed into your product.
And do you think rentals are the new normal?
Absolutely. Supply chain issues and long lead times won't last forever, but packaging companies are unlikely to have the budgets they once had. Gone are the days of several $100 million budgets to allocate toward new equipment each year. Rentals are only going to become more popular.
What are some of the key benefits of renting compared to leasing or buying?
Aside from the major benefit of helping our customers accelerate speed to market, there are a few other key benefits to reaffirm the value of renting. One, you can get equipment at a fraction of the price that it would cost to buy new, and you can rent that equipment on a month-to-month basis. You aren't locked into buying or leasing and making payments for several years. There are tens of thousands of new SKUs hitting the market each year, and with a 76% failure rate. Rentals are essentially cheap insurance. If a product fails, you're not still on the hook for the equipment you just bought. You can send the equipment back you rented to us. And while you never want any product to fail, avoiding excessive lead times and opting to rent rather than buy can help you move on quicker.
How have long lead times in this industry affected equipment purchasing?
Again, time to market is everything. The sooner you can enter production, the sooner you can get your product on the store shelves. Most companies can't wait the 6 to 12 months for a new piece of equipment. All we've been hearing is, how fast can you get us set up? It's a big part of the reason why we established our accelerated rental program. Renting equipment simply allows our customers to get set up quickly so they can produce and earn revenue. That's not to say that there's never going to be an opportunity for firms to invest in new equipment, but renting it allows them to reach their speed to market goals on seasonal goods or new product lines, and it can serve as the ideal stopgap solution to keep production on track until new equipment orders arrive.
And do you offer a rent-to-buy program?
Yes, absolutely. If a customer is satisfied with our plug-and-play solution, we will talk with them about our rent-to-own options.
How do your lead times compare to OEM lead times?
For new packaging equipment, you're looking at 8 to 10 months a lot of times for new equipment. And this can totally depend on the supply chain, which we've seen is in constant flux.
Thanks, Chris, and thanks to our listeners. We hope you found this informative. That wraps up another edition of Technology Minute.